The Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management is celebrating National Preparedness Month, and we're here to share some information about car preparedness. You should always have some basics in your car that include roadside flares, jumper cables, and maps, just in case your GPS doesn't work. But you should also have an emergency kit, and there are a couple different options when it comes to kits. Emergency kits need to be customized to you and your family, so that could include kids, babies, folks with access and functional needs, and maybe even pets. Some ideas for packing an emergency kit could include using a backpack so it's easy for grab and go, or a plastic bin that you keep in the back of your car. No matter which kit you decide is right for you, we really recommend having a hand crank flashlight so you don't have to rely on batteries. And during National Preparedness Month, we challenge you to be your own hero and get prepared for any emergency on the road.